Hello, a great evening and welcome to my channel Trippy Mind. Hope you guys have enjoyed my last South Africa travel series. This video is regarding Thailand and guys who are willing to visit Thailand from 1st of May, that's today. This is a very important video for the one who are visiting Thailand from the 1st of May. And this video is regarding TDAC, that's Thailand Digital Arrival Card, and which has been made mandatory from the 1st of May 2025. This card is necessary for all the foreigners who are visiting Thailand from 1st of May, and also for those who are transiting through Thailand and have to go immigration check in Thailand. So as we all know, this has been made compulsory from the 1st of May, and the process of applying this for this TDAC is rather easy, and in this video I will show you how to apply for that. And so without any further delay, so let's dive into the video. Just go to Google and just Google TDAC. The first link you get, Thailand Digital Arrival Card, tdacimmigration.gov.in. just go to that. This interface will come with these two tabs, Arrival Card and Update Arrival Card. There are some conditions which are written properly. Just go through those. Yeah, right. And one important thing, foreigners are required to submit this arrival card just 3 days in advance of their arrival date. They are not allowed to fill this form before or after that. Okay, so just click on arrival card. The first tab is for the personal information. You have to give all your personal information. Just for example, I am giving a random or arbitrary name for myself. All right. This is not my name, by the way. Anyway, you have to give the nationality. I'm from India, so Republic of India. Then the passport number is must. I'm just giving a random number just to make you understand. Please note that. Then the personal information, the date of birth of you, your date of birth, your occupation, business, job, anything, male or female. Visa number is not necessary for the countries which are visa exempt countries. In that case, visa number is not needed. Then the country of residence, Republic of India in my case. Then the state, in my case, West Bengal. Where's my state? I can find it. Oh yeah, here it is. Right. And the phone number, of course. Then just click on continue. Then the your trip information and accommodation information, you have to give those details. First, the date of arrival, the country where you are boarded from, in my case Republic of India, and purpose of travel, in my case holiday, mode of travel obviously should be here, mode of transport should be commercial flight, and the flight number. Just check your ticket for that. And the you also have to give the departure information, the day we are exiting Thailand. Mode of travel should be here in the same thing. Mode of transport, the same, commercial flight, the flight number. And if you are a transit passenger, click on that. Otherwise, just skip that. And now you have to give the accommodation details, right? Sorry, I missed that. Just have to click on the hotel or homestay, wherever you are staying, province, where you are staying. Just look at the booking slip, you will get the idea. I am selecting in random just to make you understand. Please note that. Just select anything for now. You have to select the sub-district also. This you will get in Google easily. When you are typing your hotel name, the hotel comes with a full address and you will get all these details in the hotel address. Okay? So just put the name of your hotel, and after this there is a health declaration. This is not needed for those who are coming from countries where vaccination or yellow vaccine certificates are not needed. So you can skip this step. After skipping this step, go to the preview section where all your details will come in the next page. The accommodation details and your personal details, the journey details you have given. So just check, go through it carefully, very, very carefully. And just after that, just read the agreement and sign it. And then you can submit this application form. So guys, this process is rather easy. And in the home page, you will find another tab also with update arrival card. In this section, you can change the details you have already given in the arrival card you have filled up earlier. Alright, so no worries at all. And after these, the whole process takes about 5 to 6 minutes at max. And after this, after submission, a QR code will automatically generated and will come to your mobile number or email ID, and that will be all. And you have to show the QR code when you are arriving in Thailand. And so guys, this is the whole process. And why you need to fill up this TDAC form, there's a reason behind that. You can do this process after reaching Thailand also, but it will be a long process. It will take so much of your time. There are digital kiosks, okay, in the airport where you can do this thing, but it will take a lot of time and you have to be in a long queue, trust me. So just to avoid this queue and for the faster immigration process, follow this and fill this application form before going. So guys, I hope you liked the video, and if you like the video and if you find the video informative, do just click on the like button and do share and subscribe to support my channel. So that's all in this video guys. See you soon in my next video series. Bye bye.